Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well and feeling festive. I've lined myself up in front of the tree, so hopefully you can see that. Let me just move it a wee bit. There you go. Happy Christmas. So I thought we could use some of the papers that we've made to do Christmas cards, and I've kept it very, very simple. So the first one I did was this tree, quite wonky, but not to worry. And I've used some bits of Christmas wrapping paper that I had lying about, and some of the papers that we made earlier on in the year. So hopefully you've still got some of those, but you can use bits of Christmas paper and even old Christmas cards to add a bit of interest. And you know, you could even maybe cut out a Merry Christmas whatever and use it for one of the sections. So yeah, a triangle at the top, I've cut out a little star, and basically just strips getting bigger as they go down. So, you know, work away and have fun, and you can add baubles to it or more stars or whatever you feel like. So the next one I did, I actually did it in a sort of card shape, and I just cut out stars, drew a circle, I drew around a roll of tape to make the circle, and I drew one star shape, and then I cut them all out from the same template just so they're all the same. Two types of Christmas wrapping paper, and just stuck them round. So you could keep going round, you could write a Merry Christmas in the middle, you could add a bow, you could add some glitter or whatever you happen to have about. And then the third one, I had to go a bit big with this one because I cut the holly leaves out too big. So same idea, draw a circle so that you can make a wreath, but you don't have to do a wreath, you could just do a little cluster of holly leaves and berries, but it's the same principle as the star one. Just copy the template. So I was going to show you how I did the holly leaves. So a piece of paper, just folded in half. So you want to have your fingers where the fold is, and then basically just cut out. You can draw it on first if that is easier, but just draw on that basic holly shape. So you've got that, and then you could open it up and you've got a holly leaf. You could do a Christmas tree, you could do baubles, you could do whatever. So I hope you have fun with it, and I look forward to hopefully seeing what you've done someday, and I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas and stay safe. Thank you, bye.